हेलो एवरीवन, स्टैटिस्टिक्स यूट्यूब चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। इन टुडेज सेशन मैट्रिक्स एंड डिटरमिनेंट basic concepts or application of these will be cleared using illustrations taken from JEE MAIN 2024. In earlier session we have discussed all these topics which are very important for CBSE board as well as for entrance examinations, which you can review on Statistics Learn. I will also like to request go through these concept killing videos which are very helpful for all intention purposes, right? Then these also for NEET exams also, which you can review on Statistics Learn, right? Now let's start with the question. Question is, consider the matrix fx equal to cosx minus sin x 0, sin x cosx 0, 0, 0. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, f of minus x is the inverse of the matrix fx. Statement 2, fx into fxy equal to fx plus y. Now we have to pick up one of the correct answers. Both are true, both are false. One is true, one is false. Question is taken from JEE MAIN 2024. To prove this, f of minus x is the inverse of that. We know the property AB. If AB equal to I, then A is inverse of B, or B is inverse of A. According to requirement, we can pick up it accordingly. इसको हमने A मान लिया, इसको हमने B मान लिया. This is A, this is B. And apply the, if you get the identity matrix, then it is the inverse of one is the inverse of the other. Cos x minus sin x, fx into f of minus x equal to 3/3. You know the formula, cos of minus theta is cos theta and sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. These two concepts will be applicable in this case. Cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x cos x, sin x cos x, then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. F of minus x, cos of minus theta is cos theta cos x, sin of minus theta is minus sin x, minus plus 1, sin x 0. So minus sin x cos x 0, 0, 1. Right? Now, matrix multiplication is possible for multiplication. Essential condition is this should be equal to this. The final order is this by this, right? This is square 1. Then final order will be cos square x minus plus sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x. This into this, this into this, this into this. First row, first column. First row, second column. Cos x sin x minus sin x cos x. Then 0. Then second row, first column. Sin x cos x. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. Sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x minus sin x cos x, 0. Third row, first column, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. On simplification, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta equal to 1. So this comes out to 1. ये आपस में कैंसिल हो गए. 1 0 0 0 1 0 0, 0, 1. It means that is I. Fx into f of minus x is I. Therefore, f of minus x is inverse of fx. This statement is true. Statement 1 is true. Statement 1 is true. Now, second is fx plus fi. Fx into fy. Equal to, I have to check whether it is correct or not. Taking left hand side. Fx cosx minus sin x cosx 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Then this comes out to be cos y minus sin y cos y 0, 0, 0, 1. Now you know sin x plus y. Sin x plus y will be sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. And cos x plus y will be equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Using these two formulas, we will solve it. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y 0. So this becomes cos x plus y. First row, second column. First row, second column. Cos x sin y minus sin x cos y. Minus sin common ले लिया तो sin x plus y. Then second row, first row, third column. This comes out to be 0. Similarly, this will come out to be sin of x plus y cos of x plus y 0, 0, 0, 1. That is equal to f of x plus y. Means statement 2 second is also correct. Correct. Choose the answer in which both statements are correct. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. D is correct answer. In this case, main concept was AB equal to I. Means if you prove the product equal to identity matrix, then one is the inverse of the other, right? Second, cos x plus y sin x plus y का formula लगेगा. Next question. Question is, let matrix A equal to 2 minus 1, 1, 1. If the sum of the diagonal elements PYQ of third is 3 to the power n, we have to fill in the blanks value of n here. Question is taken from JEE MAIN 2024. In this case, given is matrix A, we will find A square, AQ, then AQ into AQ, AQ power 6, then A6 into A6, AQ power 12, AQ power 12 into A, AQ power 13, right? You can use another concept also, AQ power 4, AQ power 4 into AQ power 4 or I am using this one, right? Then A square on simplification comes out to be 3 minus 3, 3, 0. A cube, A square into A, that is 3 minus 3, 3, 6, 3, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0. This comes out to be minus 2, minus 1, 1. On simplification, A cube comes out to be 3 minus 6, 6 minus 3. If we take common, in case of matrix multiplication, if you have to take common, it is to be common from all row and column. So 3 taken common. So this comes out to be 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Right? AQ comes out to be 3, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 1. Now AQ power 6. AQ into AQ. 3 into 3, 9. This comes out to be AQ power 6. Minus 3, 0, 0, minus 3. If we take minus 3 common, minus 27, 1, 0, 0, 1. This is minus 27i. Right? A6. A12. A12 will be equal to AQ power 6 into AQ power 6. 3, we have to find the 3 power, so 3 की power 3 होगा, minus 3 की power 3i. तो minus 3 की power multiply करके होगा 3 की power 6 I into I. I into I is also minus 3 की power 6 into I. A की power 13 into A. A की power 12 into A will be equal to A की power 13. That is minus 3 6 की power I into A. I into A is always A. Minus 3 की power 6 into A. A is 2 minus 1 1. 2 minus 1 1. Right? Then this comes out to be minus 27. 3 minus 6. A की power 3, A की power 6. A की power 6 into A की power 6. This comes out to be positive. This comes out to be positive. Negative, negative will become positive. 3 की power 6. This is 3 की power 6. 3 की power 6. 27i. Right? Then sum of diagonal elements. Sum of diagonal elements will be equal to 2 into 3 की power 6 plus 3 की power 6. 3 की power 6 taken common, 2 plus 1. That is 3 की power 7. तो आंसर है 3 की power n. 3 की power n equal to 3 की power 7. Therefore, n equal to 7. That is the answer. Fill in the blanks will be 7. तो अगेन रिपीटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट में हमने ये अप्लाई किया. यू कैन अप्लाई ए की पावर 4 इंटू ए की पावर 4 इंटू ए की पावर 4, वट एवर यू लाइक, यू डू लाइक ए स्क्वायर ए क्यूब का फिर से की पावर 6 माइनस 27 आई, दैट 3 की पावर 3. ए की पावर 12 विल बी इक्वल टू 3 की पावर नेगेटिव नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव हो जाएगा. दिस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. राइट? दिस विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. दिस इज नेगेटिव. दिस इज नेगेटिव. On simplification, we have to find the sum of diagonal elements. Sum of diagonal elements में each element will multiply with 3 की power 6. So 3 की power 6 into 2 plus 3 की power 6 into 1. 3 की power 6 taken common, 2 plus 1, then equal to 7. Right? Next question. Question is, let A be a square matrix such that this is the given condition, A into A transpose equal to I. Then we have to find its value. Half A plus A transpose whole square plus A minus A transpose whole square equal to 4 options are given to one of the options is correct. Question is taken from JEE MAIN 2024. Right? This condition is to be utilized here. Now, first we will expand it. Now, expanding the given expression. Expanding given expression. तो क्या है? हाफ ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए ट्रांसपोज का होल स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ए ट्रांसपोज. राइट? प्लस A square plus A transpose whole square minus twice A transpose. This goes right. Now halfway. A square twice A square plus twice A transpose whole square. Twice cancel out and expanding on expansion. This A cancel, A cube plus A into A transpose whole square. In the given question, it is the relation given A into given A into A transpose equal to I. We have to use this relation. So in this case, we can use it A cube plus A into A transpose into A transpose according to given condition. This will become I. A plus A transpose into I and AI equal to A. Right, so A cube plus A transpose. This is the answer. A cube plus A transpose. A cube plus A transpose. This is D is the correct answer. D is the correct answer. D option is correct answer. Right. This is a simple one. Was using this was a technique here. बाकी expand कर दो, simplify कर दो using this relation. You will get the answer. Next. Now, I will request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, City Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you.